Come on then, a bit closer. Oh, if we were all like that.
Yeah, I was thinking, wouldn't it be wonderful?
Colours of them. I expect them all to be the same. There's all sorts of colours, aren't there?
Oh, yeah.
Spotted ones, sandy ones, and black ones. Going a race. Way! Looks like this one just spotted them as well. I didn't realise the bulls came as well. Ah, that's how it works, is it? They were out among some grass the other day, because they were saying about the wardens having to walk around the colony and count how many there were. And they're saying they've got to watch themselves because they can shift a lot faster than you think. Yeah. And they protect the pups. But yeah, they've seen them get ashore, they were coming ashore on rocks, weren't they?
Somebody was saying that about a fortnight's time or something.
Like that boat's binoculars.
Yeah.
They were some lightweight, weren't they?
Yeah.
They were big.
Yeah, yours are heavy.
Oh, they're really heavy, yeah.
There we go. This is Ed before I've got this one on camera.
Hey,
off he goes. That's chasing that one away,
yeah.
look.
Yeah. Oh, when he saw him coming, he turned and legged it. Mournful noise, isn't it?
Oh, like a bad cough.
That's that mother down there saying that. Just about to roll on a baby.
Oh, down there.